Cordial greetings. My name is Vainician Gomez Barba, identified with Juan 02383322. I present you the best national destination, Aurego. Introduction of the place. Aurego is a municipality located in the department in the north of the Santander. It is located 173 kilometers from Cúcuta, approximately 5 hours. To get to Aurego, it is necessary to head to the Cúcuta transport terminal and take an intermunicipal road to the municipal. This municipal is buried. Be the algodonal rivers nearby place where family gatherings can be held shoes and the wheel of the donkey, the dam of the rock, and a place bathed by large black rock that are very strange. The different destinations are about 20 minutes from the town in Aurego. The summers are short and hot. The winters are short and comfortable, and it is mixed and cloudy years round. During the course of the years, the temperature generally ranges from the 16 degrees to 25 degrees, rarely falling below 14 degrees of rising above 27 degrees. Duration of the trip. Day 1. 8 a.m. I head out the 8 to the 8:30 a.m. breakfast, 9 a.m. Rocky Dam, 12 lunch, 2 p.m. walk through the villages, 6 p.m. salt and lemon bar. Day 2. 8 a.m. breakfast, 9 a.m. the Tuntun Recreational Center, 12 lunch, 2 p.m. camping on the path of the jet, 7 p.m. dinner at the Climate Restaurant Super Arepa. Day 3. 8 a.m. breakfast, 9 a.m. torrentismo, mountain hiking, climbing wall, 12 lunch, 3 p.m. departamento en retorno. Means of transportation. You can use a bus from the transport terminal or your own car. Activities to do. Aurego is currently growing rapidly in commerce and tourist place welcoming people from on the place, engaging with the biodiversity, architecture, landscapes, and recreation center, such as the Tunt, El Roque Dam, the Donkey Wheel, Blue Wheel, Stone Black, and several extreme challenges. Is magnificent climate. Is great for your carry out many activity with radiant sun every day. Place to stay. In the center of the town there is an excellent hotel called San Miguel Plaza offering excellent service and exquisite dish, and you enter your wild thin green areas that will make your visit to the place more enjoyable. Typical foods. The gastronomy is very varied in this arepa, but its typical dishes are usually corn arepa, white curly cheese, ayaco, tamales, and its chicha espectacular acompañado by tasty filters. Cause this peak at a cost of 500,000 and included. Thank you.